Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Greenfield School and College. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know that we have finished the preparation for half yearly examination. Now we I am, we are go- I am going to start the syllabus for the next exam, that means third monthly exam. In the third monthly examination there is chapter 4. In the chapter 4 there are several lessons. So today I will start lesson 1 only. Before starting to the main topic, I am going to give you basic information about climate. Before knowing what is climate, we have to know what is weather. Weather is the day-to-day atmospheric condition, and climate is the average weather condition during 25 to 30 years. That means duration is very high in terms of climate, and duration is very low in terms of weather. So weather is daily atmospheric situation, and climate is long term average atmospheric weather condition. Weather, the element of weather is rain, hails, drought, temperature, etc. In this chapter, agricultural season, features of agricultural seasons, Rabi harvest, Kharif crops, season neutral harvest, and characteristics of these crops have been discussed first. Later, the impact of weather and climate on harvest has been described. Beside these, the idea on adverse weather and climate, that is excessive rainfall, hails, drought, flood, and water logging, has been provided with. Harms caused by such environmental odds have also been discussed. There are three figures. First figure shows here is the wilting of crops. Wilting means fallen down of crops to the ground. This occurs due to lack of water in the field. Now, in the bottom picture, you see that there is flood, and a man uses a floating boat to go here and there. And in the picture 3, you have seen that there is a dry land and there is many crack on the land. These 3 picture only shows the climatic situation of a country. At the end of this chapter, we will able to describe the characteristic of agricultural seasons, identify Rabi and Kharif harvests, identify season neutral harvests, explain the influence of weather and climate on the agricultural productions, locate major areas in Bangladesh in consideration to agricultural production and agro environment. Now I am going to start the main topic of this today's lesson, lesson 1, agricultural season. From our reading of chapter 4 in class 6, we have discussed about significance of weather and climate for the harvests. What crops will grow in which area depends on climate of the particular region. That means mango grows well in Rajshahi, lychee grows well in Rajshahi. On the other hand, um, tea grows well in hilly areas such as Chattogram, Sylhet, etc. So every crops are not grown in every is not grown in every where. And now, what crops will grow in which area depends on climate of the particular region. So, to know about the types of harvests of an area or a country, we should be aware of the climate of that region or country. Temperature, rainfall, wind flow, sunlight, air pressure, humidity, etc. are the elements of weather and climate. These are the elements that impact harvests. Now, if we want to consider the geographical location of Bangladesh, sea level and the distance from the sea, temperature, humidity and rainfall, it becomes noticeable that the climate of Bangladesh is subtropical monsoon type. Geographical location. What is geographical location? Geographical location is the position of a country on the earth. That means if you see the world map, you will see that where is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is in the subtropical region. That means almost middle of the map. That means what is subtropical region? Subtropical means here neither so cold nor so hot. Climate is climatic situation. So climatic situation is moderate here. So we can say that Bangladesh is in the subtropical region. And in the southern part of Bangladesh there is a sea. That means we know that there is a Cox's Bazar Sea, and this sea is under the Bay of Bengal. Bangladesh falls in the temperate type. Moderate rainfall, temperate winter, moist summer are the main aspect of climate of Bangladesh. This type of climate is very much favorable for agricultural production. The cropping period taken from seed sowing to maturity of crop through its physical growth, production of flowers and fruits is considered as cropping season for that particular crop. That is, time range between seedling and reaping is known as the season of harvest. Growth of different types of crops in different areas of Bangladesh depends on the climate of Bangladesh. For growing crops, a calendar year has been divided into two seasons. That means A is Rabi season, B is Kharif season. That means number 1 season is Rabi season, number 2 season is Kharif season. Rabi season generally we know Rabi season as winter season, and winter season occurs between Ashin and Falgun, or we can see that October, November to February, or Ashin to Falgun. At the onset of this season, Bangladesh experiences rainfall, but it rains very slightly. That means in the beginning of the Rabi season, there may be rain, but duration of rain is very low. So during this season, temperature, humidity in the wind and rain, all these befall in less amount. Now, Kharif season. A spell between Chaitra and Bhadra is known as Kharif season. Kharif season is between Chaitra and Bhadra. That means it is a summer and rainy. That means it is between summer and rainy season. So, Kharif season is divided into two parts. Number 1 is Kharif 1 and 2. Number 2 is Kharif 2. Kharif 1 means summer and Kharif 2 means rainy. So we can say that Bangladesh, generally there are 3 seasons in Bangladesh: summer, rain and winter. But in many books or many where we see that there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh, but in general we have seen that there are only 3 seasons. That means summer, rain and winter. Okay, winter is Rabi season. Rabi and summer is Kharif 1 and rainy is Kharif 2. Now we have to know detail about Kharif 1 and Kharif 2. In Kharif 1 season, its time span is from Chaitra to Jyeshtha. That means Chaitra and Jyeshtha month is the duration of Kharif 1 season. During Chaitra and Jyeshtha, the temperature tends to be high and storms and hailstorms occur sporadically. On the other hand, the time from Ashar and Bhadra is known as Kharif 2 or rainy season. Ashar and Bhadra, the time duration is Kharif 2 season or rainy season. During this time, it rains heavily. Air contains high humidity and the temperature tends to be moderate. Now, the crops that are affected by temperature, rain, humidity, duration of day length are categorized on the basis of seasons. The classification is not much applicable for perennial trees like fruit trees, social forest trees and medicinal crops. Perennial trees means the tree which whose longevity is more than 1 year. That means suppose coconut tree. Coconut tree is a perennial tree. Its longevity is very much high. It may be 10 or 20 years. So these are not under the classification of this Kharif 1, 2 or Rabi. So let us discuss about this circle. You are watching this circle. In the in you see in the inner circle there are the names of 12 months of the year. January starts from here: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. And uh, January means middle of Magh. February means middle of February is middle of Magh to middle of Falgun. March means middle of Falgun to middle of Chaitra. April means middle of Chaitra to middle of Boishakh. May means middle of Boishakh to middle of Jyeshtha. On the other hand, July is equal to middle of Jyeshtha and middle of Ashar. And the duration of July is middle of Shravan to middle of Bhadra. And the duration of August is middle of Bhadra to middle of Ashwin. Duration of September is middle of Ashwin to middle of Kartik. Duration of October is middle of Kartik to middle of Ashwin. And the duration of November is middle of Kartik to middle of Agrohayan. And the last middle December is the is equal to middle of Agrohayan to middle of Paush. And you see that Rabi season is very long season and its duration is from Ashwin to Falgun. That means middle of September to middle of March. Ashwin to Falgun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 Bangla month. At least 6 Bangla month is the duration of Rabi. And 3 Bangla month, that means Chaitra, Boishakh and Jyeshtha are in the Kharif 1 season. On the other hand, Ashar, Shravan and Bhadra is in the Kharif 2 season. So it is very easy to memorize this month and duration. This you should memorize this monthly duration. It is very important for your examination. Now I am going to summarize the overall lesson 1. From this lesson 1, that means agricultural season. The title of lesson 1 is agricultural season. We have known that Bangladesh is a tropical climatic country. Here we face moderate temperature, moderate rainfall. Every climatic element is moderate. So Bangladesh has the opportunity to produce more crop, and Bangladesh is suitable for growing almost all crops in the year round. And on the other hand, we have learned from this lesson is that we have divided our calendar, Bangla calendar, into two part, that is Rabi season and Kharif season. Rabi season is contains Rabi season contains 6 months and Kharif season contains 6 months. Rabi season is winter season. Kharif season is summer and rain season. In the Kharif 1 season, especially Kharif 1 is a summer season and Kharif 2 is rainy season. And their duration, what is their duration, we have learned from this circle very easily. And we have also known that the classification is not applicable to perennial trees, because perennial trees grow, the longevity of perennial tree is higher, so they can give fruit any time in a year. On the other hand, social forestry and medicinal plants are not applicable. This classification is not applicable to social forestries and medicinal plants also. So this is our today's tutorial. In the next class you will see the crops of Rabi season. That means what crops is grown in Rabi season, you will learn from the next class. Thanks for watching this video.